Hello everyone, this is Zeeshan Usmani, and today I am going to introduce you an awesome website which helps you immigrate to country of your choice. This is called Zindabhag, which literally means run for your life. It has a funny name. This is an AI based tool that help you select the country that you want to migrate to and help you in the process as well. So let me define how does it work. So this is the AI based tool that will help you decide which country you can migrate to, what are your chances of migration there, what are your chances of getting the visa, and what kind of employments are available in that particular destination country. It has a community forum. It has the feedback from the people who have already used the services to get their visas, all of the international opportunities in that particular country, all of the details about those countries. It has different sections, so let me go one by one. So if you click on the contact us, if you are a legal consultant lawyer in a particular country, in America, in Canada, in Paraguay, in India, wherever, and you want to list on this website, you can email us at consultant@zindabhag.com. If you are an advisor, if you're a subject matter expert, you have been living in this country for like 20 years and want to help people, you can answer their questions like where to get their social security number from, where you get their driving license from, how to rent a house, how to lease an apartment, how to mortgage a house, how to get a car on installment, or whatever. You can join as an advisor and you can get paid for that one as well. If you have general inquiries about the website, you can email us at info@zindabhag.com. It has different sections. So if you click on the books, these are all of the books that I've written or somebody else has written about how you can move out of your country and move to countries like United States, Canada, Mexico, France, Germany, Australia, or New Zealand. So you can click on the book and you can buy the book. If you click on the videos, it has all of the videos that I've been making on my YouTube channel for a while now. It's already I've made the videos for 50 countries. I'm going to complete all 200 countries. So if you click on particular video, it will give you all of the information about that particular country, what kind of visas are available, what kind of jobs are available, how costly it is to live there, how safe it is to live there. All the information about that particular country will be available in that particular video. If you click on countries, we are keep populating the countries. It has all of the countries and everything that you need to know about that country. For example, if I click on Bahrain, it will tell you, this is the country, this is the introduction, what is the currency, what is the economic situation, what is the business environment, what kind of job opportunities are there, what kind of visas are available. Everything that you need to know about that country is available under in one click. So let me go to the America. If you click on America, it shows you everything about America. It starts with my video about America, introduction, all of the visa available, visa types, and everything. So if you click on the visa opportunities, it's telling you what kind of visas are available, immigrant, non-immigrant visas. Everything is there. You can click on community and you can ask questions about anything. I want to move to Australia, what kind of things are available. I am from India, I want to go there. Everything you can ask, and the community members, we have already 100,000 plus active members there. They will answer your questions. If you can click on the dashboard, there are very simple payment plans. You can click on the payment plans. You can buy the services for $20 a month, which is almost like free. You can subscribe for quarterly, for yearly, and for yearly plan as well. It will be much cheaper. For the whole year you only pay $150. For quarterly it's $50. Monthly it's only $20. And then you can click on dashboard. You can create your assessment. It will ask you your basic questions: where you are from, what passport you carry, where do you want to migrate to, if you have any savings, if you have any existing visas, and your CV and profile. It will generate complete career summary for you, so you will know what you are good at and what kind of jobs you can do while you move to other countries. So I've selected like 3 countries. It's saying that if I go to USA, my chance of getting visa is like almost 80%, which is like a kind of almost sure that if I apply for the visa I will get the visa. By the one clear disclaimer, we have no connections and no affiliations with any of the countries mentioned or any of the embassies out there. We do not control their visa decision process. This is a statistical AI measure to give you an idea based on available jobs, available visas, all of the visa forums. We have been scraping and integrated 5,000 plus websites and data, everything. So they're kind of complete probabilistically estimate that these are the chances that you will get the visa. If you click on UK, it's 71% for my case. UAE is only 22% because I'm originally from Sakkar. UAE has recently banned 22 cities from Pakistan where they are not allowing the visa. My city is one of those, Sakkar. So it clearly, the website automatically knows, the AI automatically knows that, you know, I'm not going to get the visa for UAE, but, you know, UK I can get it, USA I can get it, I'm living in USA. And it tells you about the facts, my video, how much earning I will make if I go move to USA. I would be making at least $156,000 a year. There are already 3.5 million Muslims there. There are already 700,000 Pakistanis there. And then kind of summary opportunities. What kind of jobs I would be getting if I move to USA. I will get a job as data science manager, principal data scientist, chief technology officer, program director, and data scientist. These are the visa types that are available. This is a disclaimer. So let's go and check the Great Britain. If I go there, what kind of jobs I can do similar, data science manager, AI, head of analytics, and the AI as well. So, you know, and then the visa that I should be applying for is the innovator visa. So out of all of the 200 countries out there and thousands of programs, it narrows down everything for you. You can simply click on the assessment and you can pick the countries where you want to see, where you can migrate to. You can see if you have any funding, what is your date of birth, what kind of profession you have, and then you can simply upload your CV and it will tell you. So all of the research work that you need to do and spend months and months is available to you under one click. It's only $20 a month, can literally change your life. Please try it out. Let us know if you have any suggestions, if you have any recommendations, you want us to improve the service. We are here for you. And thanks for watching. This is your Zeeshan Usmani.